Want to experience a 5-star hotel while staying in Paris? Or perhaps you're looking for some genuine peace and top-notch spa services? To make it simpler for you to select your ideal location, we have reduced the alternatives available. So join us in our video today for the top 6 selections of the most luxurious 5-star accommodations in Paris. Let's get started. Number 6. Hôtel Plaza Athénée. Hôtel Plaza Athénée in Paris' famous Avenue Montaigne neighborhood is a 5-star retreat with its own Dior Institute spa, 5 dining options, a cocktail lounge, and a year-round outdoor winter skating rink. This hotel features luxurious rooms with marble bathrooms. Free Wi-Fi and access to the spa are also included in the room rate. At the Hôtel Plaza Athénée Paris, all rooms and suites include a plasma screen television with over 200 on-demand movies. I'm hoping to get some fantastic Marvel flicks when I get there. In addition to 5 different types of pillows for a restful night's sleep, guests can select from 80 drinks with a customized minibar. Access to the spa is complimentary for all visitors. The Eiffel Tower is visible from several rooms. An American breakfast, gourmet French fare, Japanese delicacies, and a summer cuisine are among the dining options at the Hôtel Plaza Athénée. Number 5. Hôtel Splendide Royal Paris. The Splendide Royal crams emotions and experiences into its mix of romance and the Parisian way of life. It is located in a stately home that was constructed in 1897 in a prominent historical and cultural area of the city, close to the Champs-Élysées and the Faubourg Saint-Honoré. With its 12 expansive and beautiful suites, each classically designed and modernized with subtle Italian accents and soft colors, this genuine family home will appeal to aesthetes and the initiated. The Italian food served at the Tosca restaurant is contemporary and daring, and it is sure to please even seasoned foodies. Number 4. Hôtel de Crillon. The Ritz and Hôtel de Crillon, a Rosewood hotel, are both examples of how to maintain relevance in the 21st century. But while the Ritz continued to run splendidly as usual, the Crillon sped forth in search of something fresh. However, we will talk more about the Ritz Hotel later. Perhaps you will find it more enticing, so stick with us. Even if the Crillon's best features have been carefully conserved, the most innovative additions, such as its new bar and haircutting salon, are breathtaking in their audacity and risk-taking. In the Les Ambassadeurs Lounge, a popular hangout for Parisians who want to see and be seen, or in the new spa, which features an indoor heated pool and treatments inspired by the beauty secrets of French ancestors. Number 3. The Peninsula Paris. On Avenue Clever, right in the heart of Paris, the Peninsula is a short walk from some of the city's most well-known attractions, museums, and high-end shopping destinations. In total, there are 200 sumptuous rooms at the Peninsula, with 93 of them being suites. This luxury hotel realizes that extra time is one of the most significant presents they can provide their guests. All Peninsula hotels offer Peninsula Time. This application provides flexible check-in or check-out. Peninsula Time allows you to have your room ready as early as 6 a.m. on your arrival day and check out as late as 10 p.m. on your departure date at no extra fee. I'm pretty sure that the hotel receptionist will be checking you out smoothly as well. I mean, literally checking you out. From the doorman's nod and freshly pressed whites to the restaurant's gracious flourish from the sommelier, the service is all the drama one would expect from a hotel of this type. The receptionists are quite accommodating. The longest hotel pool in Paris is located in the spa's underground facility, along with treatment rooms and a sizable gym, where guests can hire personal trainers on an hourly basis. A vintage Rolls-Royce Phantom 2, 2 Minis, and limos are all part of the fleet of vehicles. Additionally, visitors may check out electric bikes bearing the Peninsula's logo. A bed with the Peninsula logo and personalized blankets with their names is provided for dogs. Where are my dog lovers at? This is an incredible and extremely luxurious hotel for even dogs. If this impresses you, wait to see what else this channel has to offer. So, travel pals, just subscribe with notifications so you don't miss out on our content about the finest vacation spots. Number 2. Shangri-La Hotel. The main historic parts of the former Palais, which was originally constructed in 1896 as the residence of French Imperial Prince Roland Bonaparte, were listed with the French organization Monuments Historiques in 2009, thanks to a project started by the Shangri-La Hotel chain. 114 years after the prince initially allowed Parisian society access to his personal castle, the renowned structure today once more welcomes locals and visitors from around the world. The Shangri-La Hotel, Paris, with its 100 guest rooms and suites, 3 restaurants, 2 of which are Michelin-starred, 1 bar, and 4 historic event and function halls, creates a friendly and genuine atmosphere by combining the finest of Asian hospitality and French life. Number 1. Ritz Paris. The Ritz Paris' location on Place Vendôme is more than just a high-end address. As one of Paris' most famous hotels, it has an incomparable charm and history that can't be described. Apart from Coco Chanel and F. Scott Fitzgerald, the hotel also has apartments named after Marcel Proust. A trip through high cuisine can be found at Michelin-starred restaurants. Tea time à la franchise is served in the Salon Proust. The bar Hemingway must also be visited to fully experience a stay at the Ritz Paris. The Chanel Ritz Paris area and the opulent pool at the Ritz Club take wellness to an art form. In any case, the Ritz Bar is fantastic for those of you who enjoy horoscopes. According to the Ritz official page, our astrological fantasia is designed for a memorable shared experience, from zodiac-themed cocktails to a stellar daily ritual. I can't even make a joke about this. We hope that this video has helped you find the top 5-star accommodations in Paris. But there is no need to be concerned if you wish to go to Paris, but cannot afford to stay at a luxury hotel. Simply choose an Airbnb. With that, you can still experience Paris' cutting-edge culture. Watch our video on the top 10 Airbnb accommodations in Paris for all budgets to learn more about the best Airbnb in Paris. Catch you there, and au revoir mes amis!